Hey guys, good morning. Hey, if you wouldn't mind, please give the video a like, even though you just got here 1 second ago, and maybe you don't like the video, but just do it. And then I messed up. I messed up. I messed up. I sat down here at like, oh wait, you know what? Let's not mess up again. Let's not mess up again. Mm, oh no, no, no. Slow fill crap. Nope. Same thing. Um, so I tried to get in at 760 and then I have to click the button another time to get in at 795 to figure out why that's the case. Nope. Okay. So now it's pulling back a bit. The reason why I said nope just then is because it was the level two looked like it was going to catch a bit, but I knew that it wouldn't. So anyway, I woke up so late. There we go. Hopefully. By the time uh I was just super late. And then I'm using Zoom to record this, and it was weird. It was super weird. I spent about 8 minutes or so trying to sort through Zoom issues. And you know what? I just had like three losing trades on this, so I need to consider that. So right there, I would have tried to jump in um, just based on how the level two was moving, but it's so slow. And like I said, the last several trades I haven't been favorable for me. So, and then I had to run to the restroom in here, right in here. As it was so extended, I'm like, you know what? Maybe I have time. Maybe we can run to the restroom, maybe to pull back and then we can go. But then of course this happened. This is up for absolutely no reason. There's no news or anything. So it's not like I have some heavy conviction to trade it. Let's just check the scanner, see if anything else is happening. Okay, so I think you want me to think about this first candle to make a new high up here at 55, right? First 1 minute, which doesn't seem like it's going to happen because of the time that it is right now. And then this whole VWAP bounce thing, I'm not doing that. Just forget it. Even if it does bounce at VWAP, just too often, so like you have a huge red candle here on the 5. It's just a bit bearish. I mean, think about it. If you're going short, this is perfect. It's up for no reason. Um, okay, let's see. Scanner keeps calling out this CMND, so I got to pull it up on a different screen. Just kind of watch it up there. See how the bid and the ask are moving. What would cause buyers to come back here? $0.15 spread. Okay, bears are looking for this to break now beneath here, of course, right? And then they're going to have to take some profit at some point. But the question becomes, what would then make us buyers? Why would we buy this? It's why are we here for this? All right, let's press pause. Where the heck is Zoom? What's going on? Okay, we had a new 5-minute. The top of this 5-minute is 47. Mm, look at the spread, it's all over. I keep getting pretty high fills when I do get in. Right there, like 709 seems reasonable. Just give it to me. Get green on the day. And then you notice I lowered my share size to 1,000 because I was red, and what's the use in going deep red? It's something I'm working on. It is, let's see, 22. Nope. Just don't get the best fills pre-market. That's just it, right? Okay, let's see. I'm late. I missed that trade. In pre-market, you mm, I think I am going to hold off on this. So pre-market, you truly are paying the price to trade. Look at this. I mean, it's it's pretty heavy. It's not like it's just gonna take up 54. Oh, 54. Dope. Okay, I was pretty late again. Let's see. Oh, I wish I could maybe. No. Sizing down. Okay, well, I missed that trade. Let's see. First 5 minute candle. Do we break that 753? Think so. Okay. So 500 shares at 49, 43. Really? I'm trading so darn scared. Okay, $8. Spread is not good. I think it's gonna pull back. Before we go, I do think we'll break the 8. 270. Okay. Jeez. Sorry about that. Let's see. It's gonna go. It's going. Come on. It's too bad this is up for absolutely no reason. 88. Mm. Okay, so 820. So ultimately, can I? Bullish, bullish, bullish on the 5. If we, I do think we'll see 9. I mean, it's only 736. 88. 82 might be a good dip here. Oh, geez. All right. We wait now. This is where things get shaky. Engulfing red on the 1. Let's see if people are buyers at 750. Nope. And then this is where it's just, I gotta fix this drawing tool. just be a lot easier if I could just draw the line at this point. This mouse is so weird. Got, oh well, whatever. Okay, so any support that we had here is now broken down, right? And this is super steep, super steep. I learned that from Marco in my Discord or in our Discord. Hopefully you're in there. And you know, there's just no use in looking, uh, using that as descending resistance. Okay, let's press pause. All right, hopefully we can get out of this 7:52-ish. Volume is getting a bit lighter. The float is a bit bigger on this one. I don't know why we wouldn't break that 335. It's just super slow. Okay. So it looks like it would have broken any support that it did have there. So now what? We had a giant topping tail on the 5. I'm gonna leave it alone for a bit. I just got a DM from Dynamite Trader. Hi, Dynamite Trader. He said he's enjoying the YouTube videos. I have to reply to him. I'm liking the way that this one is moving now. So, but I mean, it is a bit extended on the 5. These guys did have some news. So that was kind of cool. But, for us, we're looking, takes a move up, pulls all the way back down, up, back down, up. Now, this is our 3rd time, so we should expect if it doesn't catch a bid here, then, you know, s- might, it might, oh, look at the 5. So let's see if we can get a little trade on this. I realize I'm red, right? But my trading is getting a lot less aggressive and therefore a lot better, in my opinion. I used to be grasping at straws up, and this 5 minute isn't looking the best. Don't get me wrong. I mean, we do need some type of a pullback, but this might be you know, going the complete other way. So I can't tell you how many mornings I used to sit and force trades, over trade. I'm trading Wade, I'm like, oh, it was $8. Now it's 2. It has to bounce. Just really desperation trading. Um, and it's just nice to have like a calm head, but so many times, so many mornings, it's like market open, right? 9:30. Now, mind you, I've not been going into the office like I am now. Now I'm going 3 days a week, so I can't trade. But anyways, but before I could. And it'd be like market open like 9:30. And I'm the one who's read uh $2,000, $3,000. And then I gotta go dig myself out of a hole. And then I'm like, oh, I'm finally green. And then I end up red again. You know what I mean? It's just when you are deep red, it totally changes your trading. And at least for me, I do size down. Um, but it's just nice. I did not completely capitalize on that SUGP. My own fault, right? Well, really, it's not my fault. It's really my twin sister's fault because we went to dinner last night and then she's like, oh, hey, let's go do this and that and all this other stuff. Where really what I should have done was come home and go to sleep. So again, I literally sat down at my desk at 7:58. Usually, that should have been like, I'm sorry, 6:58. Should have been like 6:40, substantially sooner. I wasn't prepared and I had to run to the restroom. You know what I mean? So this is all your fault, my twin sister. This is your fault. Now, mind you, I know she's not even going to watch this video, even though I watch all of her YouTube videos, but that's neither here nor there. Happy Friday, guys. I'm in a good mood. I'm happy that I didn't mess up too bad. Now at one point I was up like $400 on that SUGP. But for a person like me, with how I trade, I can very quickly, very easily make $2,000, $3,000 pre-market. And so I think some of the risk that I took was worth it. Um, Not knowing where that stock may have gone. And thanks for all the support. And people are helping me. They're like looking at my trades and let's see what we got here. Cell cancer targeting. Okay. Sounds good to me. So it's a nice bull flag, right? Kinda. I don't know anything about this though. I don't know how it moves. I do know when they're this price, I mean, it just already looks like a Christmas tree waiting to happen here. Uh, so the float is 3 million LUNR. Are you kidding me? Now, wait a minute. Why is that saying so the price for LUNR is not 13.79? I think this scanner is messed up. Let me let me pull this up. Yeah, it's trading over at $12, but for some reason that this scanner is saying was saying 13.79 or something like that. Yeah, and not sure if you've been watching the video, so just in case you haven't, I these little guys, these little penny stocks, they will they will give you a new respect for penny stocks. They can get pretty spready, and you're in 2,000 shares. Next thing you know, you're down $500. It's like, what the what? How can that even be? See, look at this little guy, just selling off. Okay, well, have you guys been trading that SMCI? So I traded it yesterday because there was nothing to trade. And it is just such a wild guess with the large caps for me. Essentially, I just go with whatever the direction, well, for the most part, I just try to go with the current as opposed to against. That's my overall large cap strategy. Um, Actually, you know what? That probably should work because before I'm like, oh, this is the top. Let me go short on this Tesla, right? And then it just goes up another $100 a share. So yeah, maybe that is our plan for these large caps. But the other day, I don't know when it was, whenever it went from 1,000 down to 800, I lost like $1,800 on it, which makes sense because I don't know how to trade the uh I don't know how to trade the large cap stocks. But I'm just curious, this thing that SCMI man, people are probably making hundreds of thousands of dollars off that each day for, people who know how to trade that or who are extremely patient and don't mind being down in the trade or average into the trade in an appropriate way. Okay, so I don't think I mean, this seems like a desperate grasp at straw. So let me just go ahead and press pause. Sorry, guys. I took a trade here off camera. Um, these are so tricky. These are so tricky. Just look at the spread. We got to really be careful on this. 96. Oh, boy. Seven. Oh, You gotta go. You have got to go. You gotta go. Go, 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 go. Ah, boy. Okay. A lot of red volume in that last candle. So we were at $2, right? I mean, jeez. 22, 18. Okay, high of 40. What time is it? So sorry. Okay, high of 49 now. 37. Oh, come on now. Come on now. I got in too high, I think. Okay. It's choppy, choppy, choppy. 12. No. Wow. Look at that. I'm gonna stay out for a bit. Just too much Christmas tree-ness right this second. I do like the price action, but yeah, or at least we're green. I certainly didn't capitalize on this one as much as I could have, but I don't, you know what? I don't like the lower price stocks. I just don't like them. The spread is just crazy at times. $0.86 and it's a 12-cent spread. Not that that happened with this one, but it just happens too often. Look at that. Okay. Let's press pause. All right, this little guy started to curl. I took a quick trade on it. And I'm a person who, oh, that's a nice bottoming tail. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Pretty trappy. Wow. I like that. I'm good with 87. I'll just take it. I'll just take that little change there, which it looks like you have to do here. Now I gotta keep in mind, like, what am I even looking for now? Double bottom here. Um, this is a giant Christmas tree, but I was liking the price action. So let's just say we're in at 64. Nope. Yeah. Yeah. It's too bad. All right, at least we got a little something extra out the deal here. Uh, Jeez. See, sometimes I'll just impulsively buy down here just because I want to be in the trade. Some little habits I have to work on. Get that big buyer. Stuff like that wasn't enough. Okay, so I mean, and then like I said, I would think like, okay, my God, it's sold off $1 a share now, which honestly, I agree with myself. Come on now. Do you tru Are you truly not going to catch a bid down here? Nope. Jeez. So 3 cents a share, $60. Oh, then it goes. I figured out how to draw the line with the guide being there, which is essentially trying to snap the line in place. We will save a bunch of time on that. Okay, I am green 76 cents on this because I took a quick short on it just to see if TD had shares, just so I know what to do. Wow. Okay. No, I'm gonna try to hang on to it. Looking for the break in 95. Oh, volume is pretty light here. Come on, buyers. Like maybe I'm too late to this party. Mm, 2 cent spread. Let's try this. Mm, okay, 88. Let's try to hold it. Come on, you can do it. Come on, buyers. You guys are such. I'm just asking for the break at 95. Why is that so much to ask for? All right. Okay. And then, okay. So it finally did what we were hoping it would do. I need to get rid of this little guy. Yeah. Oh, it got rid of both. Mm, 91. No. 2 cent spread. I think it's gonna go. Well, this now is the number one, the top gainer. The float is 9 million shares. You just kind of keep that in your mind so you can kind of see how floats that are actively traded with that amount of shares move. Okay. Uh, I think it's gonna go. We got a new 5 minutes starting in, God, dog it, in 1 minute. So we'll let this pull back just a little bit. 90, 93 is looking real good. If it will come back there. Okay. There we go. 92. Hopefully. Hopefully that's okay. Oh, come on. 5 minutes starts in 8 seconds. Come on. Come on. That's too bad. I was hoping that, well, I guess it's opened a bit low. Okay, so it went down to 90. Right down to support for that moving average. Okay. Ooh, I don't like how it's moving. It's not good. Not good for us. Okay, now look at that 5-minute candle. No bueno. Let's press pause. Okay, I know I just came right back. I looked at another monitor and I see NPR was going. So it did do the break of, I don't know what this line is that I drew out, but I don't know if that was from a couple days ago. I know that it's gonna, you know what? I think it's like 152 or something is the top. And the reason why I'm talking instead of trading is because I'm letting that pull back a bit. So this is okay. Well, so 157 I've got marked out, and then 176. Okay. Look at that. I mean, it went right back down to 137. And look how thick this is. By thick, it's just how many buyers you see at the different levels. So my level 2 is missing, I think the route, maybe. We got a topping tail on the 5. So let's see. Should have found some support there. It's getting a bit bearish right now. I didn't like the way that this one was moving yesterday. Um, so I don't know. Okay, the scanner is just off. It's just off. SUGP, it's saying it's $7.52. Now it's saying it's $6. Now it's saying it's 5. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Now it's saying it's 7. That is not good. Look at the sell-off on the one we were just trading. I mean, we were up here, this thing really has really put back. Mm. Beneath VWAP. Looking for the break of 82. Yeah, we're not. Hmm. Go ahead and break it. God dog it. Mm-hmm. Hey, can't beat them, join them. It was up for zero reason. So did I mention that I have a goal of um I need to get, well, Jesus, like I should have held on to that. I need to get like, I'm so sorry about my throat, needing to constantly clear my throat. I need to get maybe $48,000 and then I can quit my job. So I'm excited about that. You know what? I'm not going to take this trade down here. This almost never works for me. It just only ever goes lower. I just I just had 4,000 shares and missed what, boy. So the reason why I went short here-ish was because I knew that this would break down beneath VWAP. It just always does. And this was a bear flag, right? Short, 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 short. We missed all that, of course. Um, and I know I kind of got in a bit lower, but that was their flag. So then, you know, is this another flag? If we don't come up above here, 76, right? If we can stay down here, that would be ideal. But and then go down even further, right? Maybe we go down to -3. I'll let this come up a bit. Geez, it never. I was kind of thinking it might give us two candles here, kind of green, and then we could go. Does it really make sense for me to go short this far beneath VWAP? That's just a desperate trade. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to press pause. Okay, looks like that was a good decision on my side not to $70. Mm, oh, come on. No, come on, buyer, 50,000 share buyer. Like, are you kidding? Wow. All right. I'm here for this. Go. 81. Little short squeeze. Ah. That's too bad. Is it too late to add shares? Way late. 4. Okay. I see. Previously, I would try to buy this. It's just, I think it'll pull back a little bit. I'm not gonna go short, even though I realized I was going short way down here, and it's better to go short higher. So now we have a bull flag, right? This is a place where we should buy, but let's just see. Okay, well, 81. When I saw that engulfing red, I'm like, well, that's not looking good for the Bulls. So, dang, if only I had more shares. But you got the topping tail on the 5, right? Which is just, let's do 2,000 more shares. Just do it. Okay. So, okay. That's saying I got 4,000 shares. Let's get, oh, shoot, I already had 4,000. Oh, no, 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 no. I messed up. I got confused. Shoot. Okay, I messed up. I was Whatever. It's fine. I thought I got in with 2,000. I was trying to feather my way into the trade, not by 8,000. All right. Maybe we can get a little dip here. Goodness. 90, 91. Come on. It's just way overextended. Mm. Jeez. Wow. 3-cent spread. I like it. 85 should be reasonable. Hopefully. Dang. It's 9 o'clock, and this is where I do tend to lose money in this half hour. I don't know if it's like decision fatigue or what. So I bought way late and I held way long. I do think I I do think that we should see. Well, I made 3 mistakes. The share size, not realizing I had 4,000 shares. And then when I was looking at, I was seeing realized, thinking I was green on the trade, and then unrealized was like $70 and then substantially more. So that's fine. We're green $72. We've gone up to 500 twice. At least it's not a big red day, and I'll keep making improvements. Bottoming tail on the 5. Uh, so we know it doesn't mind dipping, that's for sure. Mm-hmm. 86. Okay. 85. Big buyer. Let's just go with that big buyer. We're in at 86. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Let's go. God. Wow. bears doing business up there. Take two, take two. I gotta take it, which is that's just a shame. I was hoping for the break of 93. Um, I am going to come back in 15 minutes. Just give myself a little mental break. We got $100. Let's see what we can do after market open. Okay, so I said I was going to come back in 15 minutes. Now it's been 11 minutes, and this guy's jumping out the gym now, right? Okay. So let's see if there's room for us up to 109, maybe. Now look at the volume on this red candle. So we know that it'll come up to 93 and pull all the way back 20-cent range. But that's two 5-minute candles, so we shouldn't have to worry about that too much, you know. Obviously that was this crazy sell-off. Now, remember we were going short on this earlier? TD will change that throughout the day. It'll be like, no shares, or this, I don't know what they call it, but they'll just essentially say that this is not available, or shares aren't available, which I always think about that. So what about the people who are already short? There'd be no one else to squeeze. So then, and we know it's going to sell off. I mean, that's just the way that these go. Lyty. Let's see. I'm for sure not going to trade the first 5 minutes or so. I have lost so much money trading right then. So So let's just try to take one share short just to see if it's still an option. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Whoa. Wow. Yeah. Well, all of this is avoidable by not trading the first 5 minutes. Let's see. People are complaining about SUGP. Oh my God. Wait. Okay. These guys almost never go into the halt up. We got to wait for a serious pullback here. Dang, man. This is flying. So they had better than expected earnings. Okay. 70. That's hilarious. Mm. Oh my God, really? Wow. 90. So it went all the way down to 67. Jeez. Wow. We just have to wait. Top is 20. Just looking a little heavy around here. Let's wait, let's wait. They like it right in that little range there for whatever reason. I'm gonna wait. Guess not. 16. Jeez. This thing is tricky for me. Okay. God dog it. I'm gonna have to trade this a bit differently. Thirteen, 12. Seven. Jeez. Okay. Well, there you go. 88. It's a nice bottoming tail there. Let me just press pause for a sec, get myself together. I'm being asked to join a meeting. Okay, well. Geez. All right, 60-cent sell-off so far. 30, 23. Come on now. I gotta press mute here. All right. So just had a like a crazy long meeting. Um, we're agreeing on this guy again. Unfortunately, I've had to go short on this only because of how it is. Thing just sucks. You saw I was trying to go long, 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 long. Almost every trade failed. It's got the bottoming tail now. Look at that bottoming tail down at 4. It gives 28 cents ish. Spread hasn't been too bad on it. Let's see, what time is it? Okay, we just got into this 5 minute. Oh, and then I don't know. I just been getting some crazy, crazy, crazy fills, honestly. It was like at 411 and I hit sell market and I get filled at 409. It's like, you gay? And it's not like 409 was on the bid. So, okay. If I do go long here, wait for a little bit of a pullback and then I'm going to just try to hold it. All right, 16. This is so annoying. Just right off the bat. I mean, because look at this, right? Look at this. Come on now. I guess I gotta take it. Feels like it should go. Truly, honestly, beyond this, for 39. A little heavier. 15, 12. Okay. What do we get? 12? Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Finally. Really? Wow, that is just, well, so let's see. The bullish, I mean, the 5 minute is overall bullish. Got the bottoming tail, but this candle did not break. Okay, we got a new 5 minute. Get the new 5 minute. Let's see. I think I can get this dip back down real quick. And at 20, Oh, I've got a meeting. 'Dang. 35, 35. So in my ear, what I'm listening to is Farmer, and he's talking about the 50-50 and the relentless trader community. And I think I might have to mute it because it's a little distracting. But I just kind of think, I wonder why people ask him about this every single day. And I wonder if, I mean, it distracts him from trading. He would probably be up $10,000. Now it's distracting me. Shoot. Okay, bottoming tail in 5. We wait, we wait, we wait. Wait for a little, wait for a dip. More. Uh, well, maybe that was it. Anyway, so I just wonder why people ask him about this every single day. And it just feels like they are asking just for the sake of bringing up drama, you know? And it's just such a shame. All those guys are such good traders and such nice people, at least, from the interactions I've had with them. That looks good. That looks really, really good to me. Um, we just don't have very far to go up, you know? It's like I'm gonna buy this hoping to get 8 cents. It just isn't gonna make the most sense right now. We are looking for an entry closer to 1135. if we can. It looks like it's going to go. It just looks like it is going to go, looking at the level two. Look at how it moves. You see it? You see it just catching a bid, catching a bid, catching a bid. It's just going to go. That's just it. Why I didn't buy it, I don't know. Why I'm trading like such a scared little punk, I don't know. Well, I do know. It's because I have big red goofy blow up days and I give back so many of my gains, and I'm just trying to find balance, trying to find my inner BMAC. That guy is so consistent. It's just impressive. Okay, 59. Oh, 55, 59, 62. Giant seller over here. Um, I'm always looking at BMAX um, P&L, and every day, somehow, some way, he just slowly makes $3,000, slowly makes $3,000, slowly makes $3,000. He's only evergreen, and I'm actually trying to. I'm gonna meet with someone, because I like earlier I was up 500 down to zero, up 500 down to red, right? He doesn't have days like that at all somehow. Now, don't get me wrong, he's not trading pre-market. Um, Let me show you guys. So this is him every day, literally every single. And there's our trade down there. Why is that not showing BMAC? Whatever. I don't know. Anyway, you get it. Day after day after day, he has this. There is no red ever, 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 ever. And so that's what I'm trying to get to. Not a giant green day and then a giant red day that I don't post because I don't see the use in spending 4 hours posting something that we all know how to do. We all know how to be red. We all know how to give back profits. So, anyways, I'm just the point is I'm just trying to take my time now, protect my account, topping tail. Um, and then this trade here, where it starts to come down, it's broken. These EMAs, and then we have the whole VWAP thing, and the fact that it never comes, and then we have the fact that it's overextended. We have a 5-minute topping tail now. It's just better for me if I just kind of wait, truly, instead of trying to catch a dip, trying to catch a dip, trying to catch a dip, trying to catch a dip. I'll see opportunities on level two, but there'll be those weak opportunities I was telling you about. Like look at that 11, right? That's not gonna hold. It won't hold. Look at 11. Just watch it. It's not going to hold. It will not. Even though you see the bid stack coming in, now the bid stack is at 10. Now you see. I've just done this too many times. Even this. Not nope. You see? All it is a giant trap. We will get a bounce, I would imagine, but it's always way, 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 way lower, right? And now I would be buying old meat. Nope, nope. There we go. Okay, 99. God dang it, come on. Don't you do this. Come on. Well, I probably was in too soon anyway. And look at that, it didn't come through. Now look at this. You see this? 88. So very likely, this little pop-up here is just a new place for the bears to go short, which is what we were doing on whatever that other stock it is that we were, what was it, ATXI or something, right? We were taking the same play out of their goofy book. Now they're going to break this. Okay. That's just what they're going to do. And then I'm like, let's get it beneath VWAP. Okay. That's just what they want to do. It's their turn. That's what Farmer always says. Let the bears have their turn. But at least I was able to make some money on this one. It had been going all morning and I just didn't, well, not really going. It wasn't moving in a way that I liked. Or either, I guess, I mean, I was going to say what, but this is last night. And somebody in my Discord called that out. Let me get Discord going again. So now it looks like a little bit of consolidation, but like I said, these bears are going to bring this down. It's just what they're going. Oh, well, I, I don't know. I just, I think it's going to come down. I'm going to press pause for a sec. So there could be a trade for us, like an ABCD, right? With our trade not coming in this minute, coming over here, right? That's reasonable. So we're looking for that W. And just press pause and wait. I got totally distracted, but it looks like our double bottom trade wouldn't have worked anyway. Let's see. ATAXTI. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, I think that this is a bear flag, but I mean, geez, we're pretty low. But at the same time, I mean, maybe we go back down here. Maybe we can get 50 cents a share. Aw. Okay, this is funny. Farmers looking to go long, I'm looking to go short. So, obviously, I don't know. I just think I think this is just, okay. He's saying he thinks it's going to go to 390. I just think it's just, I don't know. We will see. Let's go. Hmm, this is so slow. Yeah, going short is not my thing, even though at least something worked out well here, but I don't know. We took kind of a risky entry here. Uh, just would love for this to come back down to 65. Ah, geez, well, let's think about this. What would make, uh, apart from short sellers, right, covering, what would make someone buy this at this point? All right, I really got shook out that trade. It's got a topping tail. There's a decent seller here. If you look, I just looked at the ladder for the first time just now. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead. I don't know what I'm waiting for. Buyers, let it pull back. Just let it pull back. Go down. Oh, boy. I I think I am just too focused on the bigger move. I don't just want $70, even though I only have $700. $70 would have been great. I should have took it, huh? I still do think this will break down a bit. Of course, I have to just think about it, right? It's going to be choppy, just like it's choppy on the way up. It's going to perhaps chop out us bears. It's so funny for me to say that. I do not typically go short. But I got a mission. I got to get $48,000 so that I can make this my full-time gig. So, and then it's also Friday, which is the day that I'm remote, so I can trade a little bit more than other days. It's just too bad that momentum is kind of dying off here. I'm just looking at the scanners. I get it's pretty late, but just in case, I'm just taking a look because I see RVSN. Okay, looks like it did something. And then I gotta get familiar with these penny stocks, because I believe that people who have that P&L curve like BMAC, I believe he's trading penny stocks. And the reason why he said he was trading penny stocks was because of the spread and him being able to mitigate his risk extremely well. Um, so, I like to be able to do that too, not have a crazy whippy P&L. I kind of want to, what I want to do is make sure that when I'm done trading, I'm done with this recording. I don't want it to be all long. It takes so long to upload this stuff as it is. And then if I were to put it through like something to add a little flair to it, it's then depreciating the quality of the video. It's only like 1080p. And I believe this recording is coming through at like 1440, 1440p perhaps, maybe. Um, so I don't know why I even just mentioned that. Let me just press pause at least.